Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are well. Today I'm going to take you to an epic journey of untouched and 100% pure Milford Sound in New Zealand. So let's go together. Hey guys, so we are right now in Tia now, and we have been dropped off over here, and we are now going to go into a cafe just to have our breakfast and buy some snacks, coffees and everything. So here you can see that this way you can see alpacas, and it's a very lovely weather here today. So we are heading towards Milford Sound. So we are just having a coffee break, and yeah, let's get started. So guys, I have chosen venison pie and my husband has taken chicken pie, I guess, and we have brought some snacks to have on the road, and right now we are also having hot chocolate. So yeah. Did you know? In New Zealand, we have more number of sheep than human beings. And we can get stuck in their traffic as well. This part of the journey was so exciting for me. Most part of our journey was so remote and away from modernization. It was like traveling back in time. This place is called Eglinton Valley, which is also known as Misty Mountains and made famous by the book and movie of Lord of the Rings. As you can see, the mountains are covered in clouds and looking so beautiful. Our next stop is Mirror Lake. As the name suggests, the water in the lake is so clean that it acts like a mirror, reflecting everything around it. Here you can see the reflection of all mountains, the clouds, sky. Absolutely marvelous. And if you try to look inside the water, you can actually see the bottom of the lake. So amazing! Then we went a little bit off the road to get here at Lake Gunn. Just enjoy the peaceful beauty of this place.
Follow that river the whole way out, jump in a kayak or a boat and sail on down the coast into Milford Sound. Would not recommend, even on the best of days. The Tasman is one violent SOB. Yeah, it's not a pleasant girl. However, beautiful hanging out in there. The Hollyford track starts down there and actually zigzags up. Now you see that hanging valley up there with that clouds rolling in like a river. I'm going to get my camera, that is stunning. That is the official designation for that, the same as up there, is a hanging valley. The terminology we use as mountaineers and snowboarders and skiers is bowl. Very creative, aren't we? Alright, yeah, so the Hollyford track zigzags up, and then it meets the divide track, and it hooks up over that valley, and that's basically how you get over the root burn to the other side. Now up there in the Marion Bowl, more commonly called the Marion Basin, Now up there in the Marion Bowl is beautiful Lake Marion hidden behind that tree line. That is Mount Crosscut with the snow directly in front of me. To the left, just on the other side of this ridge behind this cloud, is Mount Christina, the second tallest mountain in Fiordland. Yeah. So Marion's a beautiful hidden lake. So many people see it on social media.
Our most fascinating stop of our journey is at Monkey Creek. The valley that you can see here has been carved by glaciers. And talking about the best part, the stream that you can see here is a natural drinking water which is coming from the glaciers. And all you have to do is fill up your bottle and enjoy the drink. This tunnel that we are going through is called Homer Tunnel, and the construction was started since World War II. Due to the remoteness of the location, this tunnel had to be hand-carved by workers and has been safety upgraded in 2020. Now we have reached Milford Sound, where we will be boarding our cruise to view this magnificent sound, which is also dubbed as the eighth wonder of the world. This is an unbeatable experience altogether. Milford Sound sits within Fiordland National Park in the southwest of New Zealand's South Island. The park is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Milford Sound is the jewel of Fiordland National Park. I was surprised to know that despite its name, Milford Sound is actually a fjord, not a sound. It is also the only fjord in New Zealand that is accessible by road. However, its remote location, bounded by steep cliffs and dense rainforest, means its special features remain unspoiled. Right here you can see that this is the hanging garden on the cliff. It's amazing, isn't it? This is one of the waterfall where you can actually drink water from. We have been given a cup and we did drink some water. So this was the end of our fantastic journey, guys. I would like to thank Cheeky Kiwi Travel and Milford Cruise for their amazing tour. Thank you guys for watching. I'll bring more videos of travel and food. Till then, take care, be safe, and see you next time. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!